Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to be making this 3D flower coaster and I'm going to try out some neon color pigments. Let's get started. So we're using the 5-inch flower coaster. So this is my clear resin and I have poured it and then waited for the resin to become a little thick, reach the right consistency to make the 3D flowers. So I'll be using 3 neon colors and 1 opaque pigment, which will be white. So basically I want to pour the white followed by a neon color, again followed by white, and then the next neon color, and so on. So I've got the neon colors in the powder form and I've got it from the site boreally.com. The reason I got it from there was because it says you can use it not only for resin but also for jasmonite and concrete as well. Right, so I'm pouring the resin has reached the right consistency, so I'm pouring the clear resin into the coaster, and then using a silicone tool I'm removing the bubbles which have been trapped in the corners. Get rid of those using a flame torch. So next, the colors. So from the clear resin I removed 8 to 10 grams for my white opaque pigment which I've mixed just now, and then I removed 5 grams each for the 3 neon colors that I'm going to use. So this comes in the neon colors that I got come in powder form, and for around 5 grams of resin, half of this teaspoon. So this is the first color, pink one, and then I'm using violet and then blue. So mix the powder and the resin really well. So my resin was actually starting to get really thick, so just take care of the timing. It's summer here in India, so the resin is actually going to start curing a little more faster. Let's start making the flower petals. So I'm starting with the opaque white, followed by the neon color purple. So at this point of time the resin was actually quite thick, so I thought best thing would be to just make the petals using popsicle stick. So white followed by a neon color, again white followed by a neon color. So all the colors have spread really well. So now we're going to allow this to completely cure, and we'll demold this after 24 hours and see how it goes. been 24 hours. Time to demold. Check it out. So yeah, the white has done its job. All the colors actually have spread nicely, but you can see a few specks of the powder from the neon powder. So mix the powder and the resin really well. The resin that I was using was getting thick really fast, so I probably didn't mix it properly. So yeah, take your time to mix it well, else you'll get a few tiny specks of powder here and there. So let's see how this does under UV light. So yeah, I can see that the pink is reacting well, not the blue and the violet though. So I'm going to try this with other colors. I've got orange, green and yellow, so hopefully those will do better. So yeah, I'm going to leave the link for this in the description box. You can get it from Boreally too. If you do try this out, tag me on my Instagram channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, comment, like and share. I'll see you soon in the next one.